Assalamualaikum, this is Haisam and in today's class we are going to discuss about the chapter that is War of Independence 1857. Now before we begin the topic actually we need to consider the word over here that is war. Now what do we mean by this word war? War is actually a conflict, and so is revolt, so is rebellion, and so is mutiny. But why is the same chapter, War of Independence, referred to in different literatures with different words, such as in the Indian literature it is written as war, while the British often use revolt or rebellion, or mainly they use the word mutiny. So let us first consider what is common between all three of them. All these three words actually mean conflict. So all three of them mean conflict. But conflict between whom? So first of all, let us see, war means the conflict between two nations. So it means that when we will be discussing about War of Independence 1857, just keep in mind that we are actually talking about the conflict between two nations, the British and the Indians. Moreover, when we talk about revolt or rebellion, it is once again a conflict, but between whom? This conflict is between the government and the civilians. And similarly, the third word is mutiny. Mutiny is also a type of rebellion, but it is a conflict between the senior army officers and the junior army officers. Moving onwards, what do we have in this chapter? So in this chapter, we are going to talk about three main subtopics, which are causes of the War of Independence, some events of the War of Independence, and consequences of the War of Independence 1857. Let us begin with causes first. So, when we talk about the causes of War of Independence 1857, we classify them into two, the underlying reasons and the immediate reasons. What do we mean by underlying reasons? Underlying reasons are the long-term reasons which caused the war. What was happening throughout all this course of time that caused the war? Whereas the immediate reason is the short-term reason, the triggering point which initiated the war. So when we will discuss about the underlying reasons, the long-term reasons, we will include political reasons, social reasons, economic reasons, religious reasons, and military reasons. But when we will talk about the short-term reason or the immediate reason of the war, we will only talk about the military cause. Cut.